Hey, what is going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we are going to be looking at how to get emojis almost anywhere. Let's say I want to have an emoji in Outlook. So right now I have an Outlook screen that you can see right here. This is the shortcut that we are going to be looking at. Your Windows key and the period button. So Windows period button, you'll see this little pop-up right here, and I could just go ahead and click any of these little emojis that you see right here. Now, let's say I have maybe a notepad. It works in notepad as well. Right here, same thing, and it's not in color, but you know, if you copy and paste it and dump it somewhere else, it'll show up somewhere else. And let's say I've got Gmail right here, Windows period. Again, you can get your emojis, you can pop them in however you want. Just make sure you're not sending an email to the CEO with a bunch of emojis. Hot tip for you. If you are a business owner or you want to create your own branded channel, go ahead and check out my first link below. I created a course for you. Other than that, if you have any questions, leave it on down below. Have a great day.